How to connect your Bespoke AI Combo to the SmartThings app. With Smart Control, you can connect your Bespoke AI Combo to the SmartThings app and control it from your phone wherever you are. How to connect to the SmartThings app. There are 3 ways to connect: by tapping the pop-up that automatically appears on your phone to add the washing machine, by scanning the QR code on the screen, or by scanning the QR sticker on the appliance. If an Add pop-up appears on your phone, you can quickly add the appliance to SmartThings. Just select Add. If the Add pop-up doesn't appear, connect using the QR code. On the screen at the front top center of the appliance, select Connect. On your phone, swipe down to open the Quick panel, run QR code scan, and scan the code on the screen. You can also scan the QR sticker. Select Log In, then select Done to complete the connection. How to use Smart Control. First, load your laundry and close the door. On the screen, swipe down to open the Quick panel, then select Smart Control to turn it on. On your phone, open the SmartThings app, select your connected washing machine, and use its many features.